In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to enhance your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Notion's website. Once there, you'll want to connect to your workspace. This workspace is a fantastic tool for organizing your wikis, documents, and projects all in a single hub. It's essentially your dashboard for everything you'll be working on. Next, you'll be looking to log into your Notion account. Simply make your way to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Here, enter your credentials as you normally would to access your personalized Notion environment. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on Notion Home, which is the home base of your work within Notion. The next thing you should do is head over to the Team Spaces section. Team spaces are incredibly useful when working within a team environment as they allow for easy collaboration and access to all group-related projects and documents. Since we're looking to copy a table, team spaces might house the exact database or table structure you're aiming to replicate. Once you've clicked on Team Spaces, from there, navigate to the specific database you're interested in. Databases are collections of content that make it easy to organize, filter, and sort information based on your needs. Think of them as highly flexible spreadsheets that allow you to track projects, content, and more. After selecting your desired database, locate and click on the table you want to duplicate. Notion tables are incredibly versatile, offering a range of functionalities and customization options. So, don't be shy about exploring. At the top of the table, you'll find a duplicate option. By clicking on Duplicate, you'll quickly and easily create an exact copy of the table in your workspace or selected database. This duplication feature is a brilliant way to ensure consistency in your projects, as it saves time and reduces the likelihood of errors compared to creating a table from scratch. There you have it. You've successfully copied a table in Notion, streamlining your workflow and reinforcing your workspace with useful tools. Notion's capabilities truly make organization a breeze. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it has been informative and helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Until next time, happy organizing!